Welcome, everyone. This is Mazezoke, the tormentor of bad governance. I will be showing you video of the Port Harcourt International Airport that I promised my viewers that I will do. Before I do that, I want to show us my journey to Port Harcourt. This is Owerri, January 2020, before Emegi Hedioha was removed. These are the roads that he started constructing. This road is the Owerri Elele Port Harcourt Road. The moment you leave Owerri, you have many police checkpoints to contend with. My first experience. This guy stopped me, ignored me for about 10 minutes. I had to come down from the car, and that's the reason why I decided to record. So I approached him, he looked at me. Surprisingly, probably have forgotten that he kept someone there. And I asked, "Oga, what's up?" He looked at me, started complaining about people with documents, thinking I was the person. That's clearly showed you how long he kept me and now hunting at my car. My car is further down, and he started asking me about license. I said, "But I gave you my documents when you stopped me, and my driver's license. What license are you on about?" He looked at the plate number and decided that, mumbled something and went back to check. The number tallied. He got confused. But me trying to still play the good citizen, because actually I have my family in that car, so there was no need to, raise voice. You got to play the game with them.
I just need to get back to.
And suddenly he said I should buy 30 liters of fuel for them. Now people do the maths. 145 naira times 30. The question is for what? He started saying, we are brothers. Eventually we sorted it out. Again, another person stopped me.
I don't know why that man did.
From Owerri to Elele, before you get into Port Harcourt, it's basically like every 10 poles, every 10 electric poles. And the way they do it these days, some of them will be very nice and very polite. And when a man is so polite to you, it disarms you to the point that you kind of want to be human in the Nigerian context. So another one is going to stop me. The conversation is the same. Each one of them has his own method of begging, because that's what it is.
I am blessing people. May the Lord bless you.
Bless you too.
Abundantly. In this 2020, anybody who wants to stop your blessing, Holy Ghost fire for that person.
Amen.
Coco,
Thank you.
Drink water. Just water. Water is life. You give me life and you take life.
It's evening now.
You just saw that. That is his own method. Because Nigerians are very religious people. So by doing that, he kind of disarms you to do his bidding. Yet will come the next one with his own method. Listen.
Well done, Daddy. God bless you, Senior. God bless you. Happiest man for you, sir.
Yes, Master.
Your guy there.
Yes, Master.
New Year, everything. Your guy there.
Okay, now I am going to be heading to Port Harcourt. There are other videos as well, including military police, but now I'm not going to show more. At least the 5 checkpoints have been my point. Here, Mazezoke is in the at the Port Harcourt International Airport. This is the front view of the Port Harcourt International Airport, and you can see clearly from the video here that when you come out of the airport, there is no ramp. You can see zebra crossing, but there is no ramp. So imagine someone coming out with trolley. People just come in, just like in 18th century, just lift the trolley. Please, the authorities, the airport authority in Port Harcourt, take note. You must redo this. The car park is on your left, but there is no trolley, there is no ramp. Here, at the check-in desk, at the Ethiopian check-in desk, you will see, people already starting business to wrap bags, but this would probably shock you. You can see someone coming out from the conveyor. How does that happen? People, take note, coming out from the conveyor. Whoa. I couldn't believe my eyes that this is happening. This is baggage handling, and you can see that the conveyors at the Port Harcourt International Airport, January 2020, still being installed. That is close to 1 year the airport was commissioned by Muhammad Buhari before the elections of 2019. It means that the airport was not completed before they had to do this. Okay, this is, there is still a lot of work to be done, but I give it to them. Especially, this is my favorite here, the man paddling canoe with his net, representing the people of River State, because River State is a state in the river that has, they fish a lot. I love this, that we didn't go western, rather we have gone back to our root to represent whom we are as Africans. And the airports, I must give it to them, and I give this shout out to the cleaners at the airport. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I called her attention. A child spilled Coca-Cola on the floor, and you can see that she came in, she cleaned it, and they were so friendly, so nice and friendly. Quite unlike the things you see in Nigeria. People actually doing their job and smiling. This is a picture in the airport that I tried taking a photo of. The airports, this is like what they call the prototype. The prototype. This is the way it is, or when it is finished, it is the way it's going to look. Now, let me go to the most important part of the airport. To know a good airport, you must go and check out the toilets. Now, I am in the toilets. I'm checking the toilet out. You can see the toilet here has tissue paper. You never see such in Nigeria. And the flushes, actually, it works. Unbelievable. This is Maze once more. Come into where, you can see, this at my left, there is, here, where the taps, that's where the Muslim brothers wash their leg and their feet before they go pray. And this is where the men do their small businesses while standing. And all this works. Question remains, for how long can we maintain this? Are we able to maintain these things? Maintenance culture is one thing you and I know that kills the Nigerian business. If we are able, like I said, this is tissue paper, and you flush it, it works. It works. Whoa, people, was I blown away? I have flown over maybe, conservatively, I've flown maybe 80 international airports. But for the first time in Nigeria, I was impressed that Nigeria appeared to have gotten something right. Hence, my decision to give us a comprehensive review of the Port Harcourt International Airport. This is Mazi here. I'm still doing it to show my face, because I was really impressed. I could not say that enough. Now I am outside. This is the departure lounge. Before, when we use Ethiopia airline, we go into Addis Ababa, you think they had an airport. This puts Addis Ababa to shame. Addis Ababa is nothing but a, it's no airport compared to this. I must be fair and honest here. This is a world-class airport. Remember, a couple of years back, this airport was rated the worst airport in the world. Okay? The worst airport in the world. That was when, for international flights, we were using tarpaulin. If you remember, I think there says some part of that now at the local side of, local wing of that airport. So here I've done a panoramic view of the departure lounge in order to really show us, because actually I came in early enough before passengers started arriving. So the view is really fantastic and I like it. Enjoy. That's Turkish airline that's just arrived yesterday of the day I went. And on your right, you will see the Ethiopian airline heading to Addis Ababa. And you can see people now, passengers are beginning to come to arrive. And this is one of the gates, gate 4 for the international passengers after immigration. Once more, like I said before, the airport is really good. Like I said earlier, I really love these, paddling sticks, canoe sticks, and this African art that is, being displayed here. It shows you that a lot of thoughts went into this. This is not like the old Enugu International Airport. When you come to the airport, you see Chinese bowls hanging, Chinese, inscriptions hanging at the airport, and you think, hold on people, where am I? Am I in Shanghai? Am I where? Or am I in Enugu, the heartland of the Igbo nation? But here we are with canoe sticks, with paddling sticks. What a proud way to make statement. I am loving this. I am loving the attention to details given here. And I must also note that amongst the airport I've used, this is the Ethiopian airline arriving, the internet at this airport is one of the fastest, and the upload speed at this airport is 25.1 megabits per second. That is an amazing feat for a free internet in an airport in Nigeria, in Africa. That is amazing. Once more, this is Maze Zoke giving you a tour of what you're going to be expecting at the Port Harcourt International Airport. I must also mention I've forgotten the names of my fans that met me at the International Airport. Some of you from Switzerland, Germany, France, and we exchanged pleasantries. Remain blessed, everyone.